Watch this man. During boarding, he keeps changing his seat and taking down bags from the overhead compartment, searches them, then putting them back. How he does it is that he moves to a new seat, looks around, and then takes a bag from the overhead compartment. After searching the bag at the seat, he puts back the bag in the original location. He keeps looking around to observe if anyone notices his behavior. This last row of the cabin is where he observed boarding passengers putting their belongings in the overhead compartment. Another row, another bag. He makes sure the bag is placed back properly so the bag's owner won't notice. Yet another bag he takes which doesn't belong to him. Looking around. Searching the bag's contents. He is so thorough in his search. He puts the bag back in its original location. He's back to his strategic viewing point. The matter has been reported to the cabin crew, who discreetly confirms who is the suspect without him knowing. He is unaware and still taking bags from the overhead compartment. Ground staff steps in and confronts him. The suspect, knowing he has another passenger's bag in his hand, tries to put it back.
Wait. Calm down. No. Keep an eye on him, please.
The police is called in. He tries to explain he mistakenly took another passenger's bag. Not letting him get away. The police and ground staff escorts him off the plane. All the passengers checking their belongings if any of their valuables are missing.